Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Will County in northeastern Illinois, southeastern DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, southeastern Cook County in northeastern Illinois until 7 p.m. At 6:25 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Palos Hills to Homer Glen to near New Lenox, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Chicago, Joliet, Hammond, Orland Park, Tinley Park, Oak Lawn, Romeoville, Calumet City, Woodridge, Chicago Heights, South Shore, Roseland, Chicago Lawn, Englewood, Burbank, Lansing, Oak Forest, Harvey, Lockport, and New Lenox. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is NOAA's Weather Radio.